Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Olmsted Academy South, home of the Owls, here in the gymnasium. And this is my third visit to their campus in Louisville, Kentucky, part of JCPS, Jefferson County Public Schools. And such an honor to always return to share my heart. And it's really cool too because, being my third visit, we keep taking the previous message up a level. And, the new sixth graders here to campus, we start with bullying, look at the heart first, the first topic in my series. Seventh grade was diversity, need human kindness, the second topic. And then the eighth graders that I saw a few years back are gonna be doing positivity, be your best self. And the shirt that I'm wearing for that program right here, it says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you look down or feel sad, your head's down, it says, keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. And what's so cool is, to see the growth, the pin drop moments, and just kind of see everyone, how they start to mature over the years, and how we keep taking this message a little bit deeper and deeper each time that I do come. And that's what I always love, is being able to come into a community, where I definitely feel welcome. I always, have people here that said, hey, thanks for coming again. It's great to see you again. And some students that saw me before and shared their heart again, and some new ones that came up and, spilled their heart to me today. And to know that we can make this difference no matter our circumstances, no matter what we've been through. It's kind of the overlying and underlying theme of all the talks that I give, right? That we can always show kindness to ourselves and to others. We need to be kind to our mind, right? The person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves. Hopefully we're telling it something positive, right? And knowing that if we fail, that we're not a failure. If we make a mistake, that we're not a mistake. And we can always give that unconditional love, not only to ourselves, which is not easy to do, to become the healed people that heal people, but, knowing that, yes, we've been through some pain, or even at a young age, I've gone through some traumatic experiences. And that's part of our history, of course, we can't change it, but we always have a choice about how to respond to it, right? To hopefully be the light to someone else's darkness, to maybe be their hope. And that's why I love the motto here at Olmsted Academy. You can probably see on the wall up there. This is brand new since I've been in the gym, and I really like how they put all the signage and the awesome colors, but it says right here, shine my light, right? And that's not always easy to do. All of us have that. Some of us, it's like a little candle burning faintly. Some of it's very, very bright. But what's so cool about candles in general, and they got the torch on the wall as well, is that when you light another candle, right, when you show that act of kindness, you don't lose anything of your candle's fire, right? It just keeps growing and growing and growing and spiraling. And one act of kindness can start to change this world, start to heal this planet, that in just 2 seconds we can uplift or destroy through our words, through our actions, every breath, every heartbeat. And that's kind of the resounding theme that I was really trying to push, that no matter what someone looks like on the outside, we can look at their heart first, see them, our heart as big as our fist, see that before anything else. And to be able to let that compassion, kindness, peacefully enter into here, we can turn that into this, that peace sign, that one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, right? That we rise by lifting others. And to know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's just quitting, right? It's truly giving up. And so no matter what area of our life, whether it's here in school, a certain subject or a certain friendship, or trying out for a team but not making it the first time, that we just keep going and going and going. And we know that sometimes our words, we're having bad days, we're humans, right? But we can always respond and start to even give more of who we are. In this world today, we keep seeing it on the news on a daily basis. It needs more kindness. It needs more love. It needs more positivity. And that was what I kept trying to push and just really hammer home through all the different presentations that I got to speak on to all the different grade levels, the students and staff here today at Olmsted Academy. So thanks for touching my heart. Keep, again, shining that light. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.